What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So, interestingly enough, Fintel is now reporting short positions on their institutional ownership page. We're looking at GameStop here. We have NLSAX, the Neuberger Berman Long Short Fund, Class A. So, to verify if this is bullshit or not, what you do is you take this Berman Long Short Fund, Class A, go head over to Edgar Full Text Search, type in the company, and then you can find the import that they're referring to, and this is going to be this one right here. So now what we can do is roll through here and see if they actually did mark this stuff short, because if they did, then that means there may be some new reporting requirements going into effect. So let's go here. We're going to look for GameStop. And there's no GameStop in here. Okay. Maybe it's this one. There's two of them. GameStop. Nope. So that's what I'm saying. Like, when you can't find the data on here, it's a little interesting. So we have three of them actually. Let's try this one. So there's no GameStop in here. Let's do this. GameStop. There it is. Come on, Daddy. Okay, so let's see if they report this shit short. Yep, there it is. Okay, so that's how you verify Fintel. Okay, so Fintel is now reporting position short. So yeah, go take a look. Interesting shit, y'all. Have a good one.